Hello everybody, Shadow Gamer here. And in today's video we're gonna be showing off all my Nerf guns. So stay shy, like, subscribe. Let's get to the video. Just had to shut my door. So let's go. We're gonna start from worst to best. So the first Nerf gun I want to show you is the Jolt. Right here. Shoots single fire. And I'm going to show you how it works. So you got this, you pull it back, then you go just like that. So it's all orange, has a black pull. You pull it, then you go pew, hold one dart, and yeah. Actually, that's it. Time for the next one. Can you see my face? Hopefully. My next one is a zombie strike. This one holds 1, 2, 3 darts. This is where it shoots. And this is how it shoots. So it's all orange and it has the black handle. Moving on to the next one. Hey, I'm just gonna take these and put that one on the bed. Next one is another zombie strike called the X shot. And it's a 6-barrel, shoots 6, and it's all green, has this blue slime on it, and the hard, rough barrel. And let's give it a shot. So that's that. Moving on to my brand new one, which is this one, the Flip Fury. It has 2 barrels. It's all orange, has this black cock handle that you pull back, cocking it. And then you have the brown one, and then I'll show you how it shoots. And then what you can do is see this trigger right here. Wait 1 second. Mess this up. Ready? Just like that. Just like that. Moving on. Some of them will have attachments on. This is my Recon Mark II. Has a scope. This extended barrel, grip, tiny magazine that holds 6, and the stock. It's orange and white. And this is how it shoots. You pull this back, just like that. Ready? That fires. So yeah, that's that one. Moving on. Second of the last one. We have the Retaliator Elite. Has blue lines and it's white. Has this orange scope and grip and 12 magazine holder. And a stock and holder so I can hold it. And it's long barrel. This is how it shoots. Just like that. It's just a technically. Now for the last one. Yeah. I'm gonna have to. The Mega Mastodon. Holds 24 bullets. Just like a minigun. It's all red and orange. Here, I'll show you it from up here. That's what it looks like. Mega. So, let me get this out of the way. Nerf guns? Don't know. I'm going to be doing some gameplay videos soon, so yeah. I just have to get it back. Yeah. So, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there is my Freddy that guards it. So, that's going to be it for this video. I was going to say episode. But stay shy, like, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace!